I think it's a common worry about not being able to help your child with their homework, but I think it's a misconception really. Even if you choose not to engage yourself in Welsh education, I did a short course to choose an education path for the children and then opt out of it myself. Didn't seem to make sense, so I went and did a short course which enabled me to learn the basics. But I think even if you didn't do that, what the children bring home first of all, homework wise, is very much learn as you go stuff, and you can learn with your children, and I think that's very empowering for the child as well, because they kind of know more than you and they're showing you, and I think it encourages the child's learning more so.